Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Know the Fundamentals. Today we will see how to write days of the week in cursive handwriting. So let's begin with the video. So we know there are 7 days in a week. So we'll start from writing Sunday. So we'll start from the third line. S U N D A Y. Sunday. After Sunday, it's Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday. After Monday, it's Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Next comes Wednesday. So we'll start from the second line. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. After Wednesday, it's Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Next comes Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. So the last one is Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Hope you liked the video and you know how to write all the days in the week in cursive handwriting. Thanks for watching.